Cooking can be a dull activity for some people. A lot of them eat by themselves or do not engage with the cooking activities. People rather go and eat outside than eat in their homes, which is not friendly on the wallet. If we can make the cooking experience fun, people will be motivated to cook their own meals, be healthier, and save a bit of money by avoiding excessive outdoor dining. We are Team DoReMi. We are interaction designers at the University of Queensland, and we would like to present our musical kitchen project. It started with the idea of how to get people engaged with the cooking experience. A lot of them do not have enough time for cooking, or they choose the easy way out by eating junk food that they can get easily. We designed the musical kitchen experience with this group of users in mind. This project aims to make the cooking experience fun, because every ingredient you use in the kitchen will generate a musical reaction. This way, users will be creating music along with their meals. We decided to focus on creating an interactive experience with music because we feel that everyone should enjoy making meals at home. Let us explain how it works. When you enter the kitchen, you'll see ingredients to make a sandwich or a salad, whatever you're in the mood for. Once you start preparing your meal, music will be emitted every time you pick ingredients from the respective containers. If you want to make a sandwich, the first ingredient you pick will probably be the bread. The first ingredient you pick up will set the genre of the music for the rest of the interaction. So the rest of the ingredients will emulate the different musical instruments of that particular genre. If picking up the bread triggers off Latino music, picking a different ingredient first might trigger off blues or a pop melody. We imagine everyone interacting with this kitchen. This can also be a great way of getting kids involved in cooking activities. In this exhibition, we created a sandwich or a salad bar. But in the future, we visualize a fully integrated musical kitchen that will respond to interactions in it, regardless of what you are cooking. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the experience.
Created using Powtoon.